Lolare Hairline family, I'm back again with a new update, a new mind-blowing update on this hair and wig matter. I always give you updates every single time. So this new update is called a what? So if you want to know what is that question mark, watch this video to the end. Ensure you watch this video to the end. There's a reason I'm saying is watch this video to the end. So hello Lolare Hairline family, it's your girl Lolare Hairline. No, we talk about all about hairs and wigs every single time. That's what we talk about, hairs and wigs mainly. So if you are new to my channel, welcome on board. Lolare Hairline loves you. Mwah. Thank you for showing up on our channel today. We love you. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for always showing up for us. We appreciate you every time, and I love you guys. So let's get straight to the business of the day. The business of the day, let's get straight to it. They are called the Illusion Frontal Gele. Like, it shocked you, Abby? It shocked me too when I saw it, and I'm like, okay, I first saw it in someone's post, and I'm like, okay, what's this called exactly? Why are the people doing this? So I'm here to give you everything you need to know about this thing and how to use it. So the Illusion Frontal Gele actually came in as a trend recently, whereby you have to use the what's it called, the frontal will be ventilated. Most of the time it's always ventilated, and they will have aligned it to suit your head size. Then you would they will put an elastic band at the back to hold it very firm, so that way it will be as if you wore a frontal wig. You can tie your gele on it. That's your headgear, your scarf, your gele, anytime, any day. So if you want to go to a party, you want to go to church, you want to go to your mosque, anywhere you want to go with your headgear, you can wear it. And people think, I like your frontal installation. I like your frontal installation. I love your frontal installation, and they won't know. Nobody's going to know that what? You did not install any frontal. Like, it's so shocking to you, right? That same way it shocked me, because I'm like, wow, so this is an invention that my audience needs to know about. So I'm going to be showing you how it is worn in this video. So if you want to know how it is worn, watch this video to the end. So I'm sure you've seen how it is worn now. You've seen how it is worn. So if you're someone that doesn't like stress, like, I don't like wigs, I don't like installation, I don't like them applying glue on my head, I don't like to wear wigs and all, you can go for this frontal illusion. Like, if you have that event that, you have to look very good and you don't even have a wig to wear, or you just don't want stress about wearing wig or doing an installation, go for that one. Like, people will be blown away with your look, and you can even style it any way you want. You can style it as a side parting and the center part, any way you want. So watch the way they'll be styled, the ones that they've styled on this video. See how it's looking. Watch it. So now let's go to the removal aspect. Some people will be wondering that I'm wearing this and I have to remove it. It's very easy to remove. All you just need to remove the elastic band and you're done. Just remove your headgear and you remove the elastic band and you're done. You can see it's something that is easy to rock anytime, easy to style, easy to rock anytime. So some of you be asking that I like to have this thing. How will I get it and everything? You can get from any hair vendor. You can even get from us. So it has two different types. Let me explain. So it has the human hair blend. it has the original human hair. So the one with the human hair blend, there's a different price for it. The one with the human hair, there's a different price. So if you're someone that you don't want to spend so much on the hair illusion frontal, you can go for the human hair blend. But if you want to spend so much and you want to make sure it looks very dope and very neat, like your hair, like it's your hair that you installed, go for the human hair frontal. There's a reason why I'm telling you all these things. Go for the human hair frontal. Like anytime, any day, just what you just need to do. You don't need to stress about it. Wear it on your head. That's all. Then tie your head gear. And if you want to go extra with it, do your edge control. Nobody will know anything about this. Like, you guys need to check out this update. Like, it's mind-blowing. Like, people create a lot of things. Like, so if you don't have enough money to buy a frontal wig, or you don't like wearing wig at all, go for this Illusion Frontal. Go for this Illusion Frontal Gele. Go for this Illusion Frontal Gele. I believe after you've watched this video, you've seen this new updates that Lolari doesn't cease to give you guys updates. She doesn't even order updates. She will give it to you as it is. That's how we are. When anything that comes that deals with hair and wig like this, I will help you do that research. That is my work. So I will give you my audience the best of the best, so that you guys don't have to worry about this thing about hair. And if you have hair questions on hairs and wigs, I got you covered anytime. So this Illusion Frontal Gele is a must-have for ladies that like to slay on a party, on a weekend and all. All you just need to tie your head gear very well and your gele very well. Make sure it's very firm so that everything won't come off, but it won't come off if you tie the gele very well. So make sure it's very firm and you are good to go. Then you rock that look, slay that look anytime, any day. So if you watch this video this far, that means you enjoy this video. And don't forget to give this video a like, and also share with your family and friends who might be interested in this Illusion Frontal Gele. Like, there's a reason I'm telling you this thing. This thing is just selling out massively in the market, selling out massively because a lot of people need to install frontal and they cannot afford frontal wigs. That's the main truth about it. And they just see that opportunity and they can rock it to any event they want to rock it to. Why won't I go for it? That's the major thing. So get it for your family and friend, or get it for yourself. You are good to go anytime when you rock this Illusion Frontal Gele. I'm telling you the truth, that you're good to go anytime. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that Hairline can give you updates on hairs and wig back to back, and turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified. You'll be the first to be notified when we post any videos on hairs and wigs. So thank you, my people, for always tuning up for us. We love you and see you in our next video. Bye.